Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so today's video is going to be yet another unit that I got from Amazon. Shout out to Amazon, honey. Amazon been coming through with the units, girl. Okay, they've been coming through with the Sunday units. So today's unit is it's from the brand Rusina. It's a short human hair, child. I don't think she's human, but you know, they said it. They say it's human. Short human hair wig, curly pixie cut wig for women, glueless, Remy Brazilian hair wig, short black curly wig. Okay, and it does also come in other colors. It looks like you can get, oh girl, in a 33, a 99J, and I think that's it. So you can get it in a number 33 and a 99J as well. And I wish I would have got that 33. I bet that's dope. Okay, so all it says is it's a wavy curly unit, and it is supposed to be human hair. Now, is it human hair? I don't know. I honestly don't feel like this is human hair. I think that this is synthetic hair, but honey, I could be wrong. Maybe it's a human hair mix. But the picture that they have on here is definitely somebody's hair. This is like the woman that they're using is her hair. But for when you just kind of flip over, you can see like what it looks like on somebody else. So just kind of be mindful of that. For the details and specs, it just says Pixie Curly 1B, and it's human hair. That's all that it really says about this particular unit. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, obviously there was none. Like, this hair is this long, honey. If it's shed or tangled whatsoever, Amazon was gonna get old girl back. Okay, believe it. Believe it. So it did not do any of the things straight out of the packaging. As far as it being big head friendly, I did adjust the straps. In my opinion, this unit is big head friendly, but I am an average cap size. So girl, do with that what you want to do with it. Okay, do with that what you want to do with. And this unit did come with two combs. It had one in the front and one in the back. And as I stated, it did have the adjustable straps. And all I did was fluff old girl out. Like, it came curly, and it kind of came with that Nuna sort of style. And I just kind of just like picked it up, kind of like what I did with Nuna, okay? And that was it. Like, I didn't do a whole lot to this wig. So yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. So my con with this wig is that it looks nothing like the first picture. Now, they do have other pictures, but sometimes people don't flip. You know what I mean? They don't swipe left or whatever. They just look at that initial picture and they think that's what they're gonna get. And that initial picture is somebody's hair, like their own hair on their head that has been cut. That is not the case with this unit, okay? So I don't like that, so that would be my con with this wig. Now, my pros is that it's an effortless slay. It's affordable and it's an effortless slay. Now they claim that it's human hair. I don't know about that. But it's an effortless slay nonetheless. It already has the curls in it, and all you have to do is throw old girl on, and I feel like it would be a look, honey. I love that. So that is my pro with this unit. Yes, I would recommend this wig despite it being a catfish. I feel like, oh girl, it's a catfish. Tell me I'm lying. Show me the lie, girl. Okay, show me the lie, and then I'll take it back. But I feel like it's a catfish. But despite that, I do feel like it's worth it, and I do feel like this unit is a whole vibe, and it's affordable, and it's on Amazon, so it's gonna come like that, girl. Okay, literally, I'm looking on here, and it says you can get it, and it'll be delivered by Sunday. Today is Friday, so I love that too. So I would definitely recommend this unit. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360, so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And if you can see my kitchen, don't worry about my kitchen, girl. Worry about your own kitchen, okay? And this is it on the right side. Okay, y'all, so let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you think it's worth the coins, or if you like, nah, girl, I'll pass on that one. Let me know down below in the comments. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. If you want to purchase this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box. Keep in mind that it is a affiliate link, honey, so if you don't want me to get no points, don't use that link. But I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you let me know. Make sure you are liking this video, and yeah. That's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, I feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm Dizastrous on Twitter. And I will see you little folks next time. Bye.
Got every style and weekly.